Hi, my name is Blake Flanders. I'm President and CEO of the Kansas Board of Regents. At the Kansas Board of Regents, as you know, we govern the 6 state universities and coordinate the community colleges and technical colleges. And these programs, particularly construction programs, are vital to the economic development of Kansas. And our partnership with AGC really allows our colleges to have access to a number of industry partners with really just one phone call. And so that's been so important to our colleges.
My name's Ty Masterson. I'm the president of the Kansas Senate. We need these kids to have jobs in Kansas. And through this pipeline, and we've been working on development, bringing in companies like Panasonic, Integra, and other opportunities, so the jobs are available. Our future are our young people. I mean, we can do all kinds of things through incentive, but in the end, developing our young people and those jobs, that's what economic development is.
Businesses, as they come to Kansas and as they stay in Kansas, they come for the talent and they stay because of the talent. And so it's important that we work with AGC and with all of our industry to ensure that our talent stays here in Kansas.
I have the best product everybody needs in my classroom, and that's our students. Nobody else in the country is doing what Build Up Kansas, the initiative through AGC of Kansas, is doing. We are the pipeline. We are the economic developers day in and day out in our classrooms.
Our state legislature and governor, it's been unprecedented in terms of the funding and support that they've given to post-secondary career and technical education. We have a Senate Bill 155 program where if you're in high school, the state will actually pay for the tuition for you to go to community college or technical college while you're in high school. And so that is a fantastic program. We began in 2012 with about 3,500 students that would go into post-secondary ed. We're over 13,000 now with the use of that Senate Bill 155 program. So that's been great support.
Yeah, this event is second to none. Actually, I've heard several times just being here that this is the only, here in Kansas, we're the only state doing this. Workforce development is a need across the nation, and hopefully we're an industry leader in setting the bar.
Build Up Kansas.
Build Up Kansas.
Let's build up Kansas.